What's up guys, DJ Gabuli Architect here and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is how to create the curved curtain wall. Okay, so let's open the new file, select new, then you select the architectural template, then set OK, then let's create a curtain wall. Select this one, wall architecture, then select the curtain wall storefront. Then create a curved wall, let's say 5 meters. This one, then like that. And let's go to our 3D view. See, let's hide this one first by category, then adjust the height, maybe like that. Okay, then select this wall, then let's add a mullion for this curtain wall. Maybe let's choose 50 by 150 millimeter. This one, border 2 type, 50 by 150. Also the horizontal mullions, let's add 50 by 150. Okay, 150, then set OK. Okay, let's see our plan. Yeah, the mullion is already the glass is already curved, but the mullion is not properly curved. Okay, so let's create another wall. So this one, then let's go to 3D view, adjust this height, then let's edit this wall to glass panel. Let's edit the type, let's duplicate, then rename as wall glass panel, then set OK. Then let's edit the structure. We don't need the finish, so let's delete this one, also this one, delete. Then let's adjust the thickness of the glass is 20, so set OK. Now let's adjust also the materials. Select this one, then just type glass, then just select this glass. Okay, then okay, then okay. Okay, let's choose the realistic view. Yeah, kita nyo dito guys, this is already a glass. Then select this wall, edit type, then change the curtain panel to which one? This one, the wall glass panel. Select this one, apply, okay. Okay, tingnan natin yung plan natin. See, yung glass natin is properly curved, but the mullion is not properly curved. So let's edit this wall glass, then select this one, and let's go to our families. Let's find the profile for the mullions. Then it will use maybe this one, profile reveal brick course. Then right click, then edit type. See, this one is the existing brick mullion. So i-modify natin to. Okay, we will show first the dimensions. So just type BG for visibility, then select this annotation, then check the dimensions and apply. Okay, see, kita natin yung parameters ng mullion. Select this one, then let's adjust the brick length. Let's say 150, the brick depth is 150, then the inset into the wall, let's make it 75, half of the brick length. Okay, then apply. Okay, see, then this profile usage, change this to sweep, wall sweep. Okay, then let's save as this one, save as family, let's say sweep mullion type new. Okay, underscore new, and save. Okay, then let's load this to our project. Let's go to 3D view, then let's select this one, edit type, then always use the view section modify type so that we can show the sweep. Then let's add new. Let's profile this default first for now. Then set okay. Okay, see the mullion. Then okay, it's okay for now. Apply okay. See already have a mullion. Okay, then let's adjust this mullion type. Okay, let's select the glass wall first. No, the curtain wall. Just use the tab key. Okay, tap in. Let's zoom in to show it. Use tab just tab. Yan. Tab, edit type. Then let's hide the mullion first. The horizontal mullion. Kasi nag-duplicate siya. So let's make this as none. All of the horizontal is none. Okay. Then apply. Then delete all the horizontal. Okay. And then select this wall. Let's edit this wall type. Let's edit the structure. Then preview. Let's go to sweep. Then change the profile to this one. That's what we made. Then okay. Apply. Okay. See, we have already applied our sweep mullion type. Then let's make this DC materials. This one is aluminum. Select, Control C or copy. Then let's go to our wall. Let's edit this type. Edit the structure. Use the selection sweep. Edit structure. Sweep. Then materials. Then paste the aluminum. Select this one. Apply. Okay. Set okay. Okay, you see it's already the same materials from vertical mullions to horizontal. But the problem is this sila align sa horizontal and vertical mullions. Okay, then what is this 9.9 dimensions millimeter. Then let's go to our 3D view. Let's edit this mullion, this glass. Edit type. Then sweep. Then let's pick this as negative 9.9 millimeter, the offset, so that we can align the vertical and horizontal mullions. Set okay, apply, okay. Okay, so it's already aligned. Then next, we need to add top mullion for this glass. Okay, just select this one, then right click, then select along horizontal grid, then uncheck the lock, the pin, then edit structure. Let's duplicate first, then rename as top or glass panel top. Then set okay. Let's edit the structure. Just select the sweep, then duplicate this one, then from this one select this one, then use the top. Apply. Okay. Then okay. Okay, we have already a top mullion. But the problem is not aligned. We need to adjust the top mullion so that it will align to the vertical. So select this glass, edit type, then structure, just edit this one, then sweep, then add, let's duplicate this one, then duplicate, then change it to top, apply, okay. Then we have already a top mullion, okay. Then let's change this type to with the top, edit type, sweep, then adjust the distance negative 50. Yeah. negative 50, then apply, K. Okay, so see, it's already aligned to the vertical on the top mullion. Okay, so it's already perfect curved up glass. So you select the plan, it's already aligned and the curve is properly curved. So okay guys, it's new lessons to learn, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe.